So we're going to put our bottle in. The bottle is still set up from the last time we bottled, so you want to make sure that you wind this pressure relief valve in. That'll allow you to get it all set up how it should be. So first things first is we want to introduce the CO2 to the bottle, get it pressurised. So it's a nice little easy quarter turn. That's put pressure into the bottle. We now then want to start unwinding this relief valve until you can hear the oxygen bleeding out through the top. So that's got a small little crack there now. Keep winding that out, and then that'll just bleed out the oxygen that's in the bottle. Now you can do this at the same time. We want to shut off the CO2 flow and open the beer flow at the same time. So again, nice little quarter turn, and we'll see that there's some beer now flowing into the bottom of the bottle. While it's filling, you can just adjust this pressure relief valve to change the flow rate. You want to find the right balance between the speed and not getting too much foam. So this looks like it's filling pretty nicely. Typically I like to start off with the first couple of bottles filling nice and slow. That allows you to just get it all set up correctly, make sure that you're not going to end up with excess foam or flat beer. So it's a nice fill actually, no foam on the top. Sometimes you might expect to see a little bit of foam for the first couple of bottles just as you get everything set up correctly. And as it comes up the neck, we want to shut off the liquid flow. You can now take that bottle off. It'll have a nice little layer of CO2 on top of the liquid. Cap it, next bottle in, and now you can just do the same thing. Open the CO2, wait for a bit of oxygen to bleed out, and then again, same thing, nice little quarter turn, CO2 off, beer on, and then you'll get a nice fill from happening. So just adjust that out to get the right speed. Once that's all set up and filling how you want it, you can leave that pressure relief valve as it is. You don't want to touch that again. And then the only thing you're doing from there is adjusting your CO2 and liquid as you're filling. And then you'll be good to go.